Yes, ma'am. My daughter, she's been charged with manufacturing meth, and she's incarcerated in jail. And I'm just wanting to know what steps that need to be taken and what she is facing.
Okay.
You want to jump on it?
Yeah, yes, sir. Unlawful manufacturing of a controlled substance is a felony. I don't know which, if she's going to district court or not, which would be the beginning step. The first thing I would say is consult an attorney. Consult an attorney because she does need to protect her legal rights. And they will have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt every element of the offense of unlawful manufacturing of a controlled substance.
And the first order of business, if I was in there, I'd want somebody to get me out.
Yes, sir.
So has she got a right to a bond?
She absolutely does. Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry. She actually absolutely does, Bob. There's a bail schedule. She's entitled to a bond. The things that would matter as far as whether she gets a bond or how high the bond is her past criminal history and things of that nature, and the judge can't take that into account when setting the bond.
And if she can't afford a lawyer, they'll appoint her one, right?
Yeah, absolutely. They will normally have her fill out a form of substantial hardship, indigency, and if she qualifies, then they'll give her a lawyer.
And we've got a call waiting on us, but how common is it for bond to be denied, and why would what would be a case where someone would be denied?
Right, Hiram mentioned it. I'll let you tell them again.
According to the rules of criminal procedure, every crime is entitled to voluntary except for capital murder. But if because of the egregiousness of it, because of the person's past history, violence, that kind of thing, the judge can simply deny the bond if it's like failure to appear, things of that nature. There's things that the judge takes into consideration in setting how high he sets it or if he gives the bond.
Now, here's something I used to see. The judges were smart. They would set a bond, but they would set it so high you couldn't make it. What do you do then?
You can then file a motion to have the bond reduced and have a hearing.
Appellate court.
Yes. And you can mandamus the judge and have the judge act on it.
Has to be a reasonable bond.